Hey guys, welcome to Paracord Planet Pop Quiz. I'm Luke and this is Jake, and today we're going to try to stump each other on some Paracord color names that we've got here at Paracord Planet.
And I'm gonna win.
So just got back from finding my colors. Kind of went with a purple theme, I guess. We've got lavender for our first one. He's going to get that, no problem. He worked in customer service. Peruvian mantis, a little bit more obscure. One of my favorite colors here. And this last one's a little bit of a trick. It's called rainbow, but it's never the same. It's just kind of some of the remnants that we get. So, a bunch of random colors. Kind of an ugly color, this one. But we're going to see if he sees through my ruse.
Hey guys, just got back from picking my colors. I've got 3 of them here. For my solid color, I went with Air Force. I'm hoping it gets confused with the goldenrod there. I've got El Toro for my first pattern, and then Santa Claus for my second pattern. I'm hoping the Santa Claus one will kind of stump him. It kind of looks Christmassy after you hear it's called Santa Claus, but I'm hoping without that knowledge, he'll be stumped. So we'll see how it goes. So now that you guys know our colors, let's see if we know our colors. I'll start first. Bam! What's that?
That, my friend, is goldenrod.
That, my friend, is wrong. We got him. I said that would happen too. That's great. This is fun.
Is this plain old yellow?
No, that's Air Force. Look it up. It's Air Force. That's an official color.
I think I need a side-by-side with goldenrod, see if there's any difference.
That's 1 point for me, for everyone keeping track at home. That's
all right. Got a solid color here.
It's on the tip of my tongue.
Do we need to cue the Jeopardy music?
There's 2 of them that I'm not sure. Is it lavender?
It is.
Okay,
I got it.
It was lavender or lilac, and I was like, I always get those 2 mixed up, but we got it. Okay, so this is going well for me. I like this game. It's gonna get a lot harder though. Oh yeah, we're going. What do you think that is?
It's Holly Jolly.
No, but very close. It's Santa Claus. It's that was a good guess though. That was a good guess.
Give him half
Very
a point.
Christmassy.
Give half a point.
We'll give half for that.
No pity points.
No, maybe a little pity point.
You're on the right track with the holiday.
It was a good try.
All right, ready for number 2?
Yeah.
Yep.
Is that boho?
Very close. Boho would be very similar.
No, that's Peruvian.
Yep.
Whatever. Yeah. That's frustrating.
More purple, less pink, or something.
Yeah. I should have thought it through more. That's a lesson to everyone at home. In school right now, you don't just have to pick the first answer. You can think about it. Okay, well that was a heartbreaker.
Round 3.
Yeah. What do you think?
It's not spy.
No, but I almost picked spy. So that's fun.
It's not bulldog. It's got gray in it. It's not just a simple black and white stripes, because it has white in there too. I don't think I even have a guess on this one.
You calling
Which is really pathetic for 3 in a row wrong.
No, I have nothing to say actually. Are we surrendering on that one or what?
Yeah, I got nothing.
It's El Toro.
Mm-hmm.
And what was
I've never used that color.
What was the full name of this one?
Peruvian mantis.
Mantis.
Yep.
That's what I couldn't remember.
Unless it was written wrong on the box.
We're doing great. Okay.
Number 3.
One more.
Inspect it.
Yeah, that's good. That's a good idea. Is this board?
Yeah, did this one.
A rainbow.
What's your answer?
It's one of those two. I'll go with board. That was my first guess.
It is rainbow.
It is rainbow.
Yep. Tried to pick the ugliest one I could find.
Yeah.
For those of you that don't know, rainbow is our color that always changes. It's just kind of the remnant chord. So this one's got a awful mix of green and purple and orange and red and everything else.
But you put that with black, that'll make it great.
Yeah. It's surprising how much a color can look ugly on its own, and you combine it with the right color, and it's magic.
Typically that's black. Okay. Yeah. This was a good time.
Thanks for joining us for Paracord Planet Pop Quiz. We'll be back again with another episode soon.
For a quick recap, just a heads up, I did win. It was, well,
We can end the video here.
It was 1 point to a half point. So honestly, neither of us performed in a stellar fashion. But we performed nonetheless, and we hope you enjoyed it.